Good evening mga ka-TGFI. Magandang hapon, magandang umaga sa mga ka-TGFI natin dyan nanonood right now. I'm actually very excited for tonight's Facebook Live. No? Why? Okay. Tonight's guest is actually Jared Odulio of Soul of the Market. And a lot of you mga ka-TGFI hindi nyo alam ang story. Pero aside from me, being as the Chief IT Officer of the Global Filipino Investors and a former OFW who works from home, I'm actually also a trader, no? And one of the technique that I'm actually using na nagpadali ng life ko, no, about trading is actually the SWAG trading system. Okay? So, manood kayo right now. Manood kayo and share this video. Feel free to comment. Okay? And later, Jared will actually be discussing kung ano ba ang swag trading system, how it works, ano yung mga pina-follow na rule, no? And I'm sure marami ka matututunan. But before I present Jared, tapusin yung webinar or Facebook Live, why? Okay, for the past few days, actually 4 days, na-flood kami, na-flood ang marketing team, na-flood ang TGFI ng emails. Why? Nag-50% off kami ng mga packages. Okay, ano yung mga packages na yun? Okay? Yung real estate bundle, now we are actually selling it for 2,500 and agri-business webinars, it's actually for 3,000 and we also have an online business webinar at yung 2,500 pesos. Pero for the past 4 days, 50% discount. Okay? Unfortunately, tapos na lahat. Imagine, for 2,500, binibenta namin siya for what? 999. Okay? Kaya natambakan kami na napakaraming email. We actually been working even during the holidays because of this. Okay? But since very generous ang TGFI, hindi ko muna i-announce. Bibitin ko muna kayo right now. Sasabihin ko lang siya kung ano yung surprise namin at the end of this Facebook Live. Okay? Mga ka-TGFI, if you can hear us clearly, if you can see us clearly right now, can you comment on the Facebook, okay? Say, we can see you clearly, Nolan, okay? I want to see your comment right now, okay? So, hi sa mga ka-TGF natin sa Singapore, si Che, si Nicoy, si James. Hi, you're all watching right now. Okay, kanina pa kayo nagko-comment sa akin. Alam ko, inaabangan niyo si Jared for this tonight's Facebook Live. Hi kay Queenie. And nagkapasok na sila unti-unti. Hi, Alan Poblete Almira. And hi, Steph Garcia. Of course, our Chief Commercial Officer, Joy Sanchez, is watching for this Facebook Live. Boy Coco as well, our CEO and founder of the Global Filipino Investors. Hi sa mga Qatar people. Okay, you're all watching right now. Steph Garcia, can you see clear? We can see you. Okay, you can see us clearly. Okay, you have to know. Feel free to message the chat room right now. Okay, and okay, without further ado, I'd like to actually introduce. Okay, Jared Odulio. Of course, I'm sure kilalang-kilala niyo siya because I'm sure maraming nanonood ng Soul of the Market. Even for me, kukwento ko lang ano yung story ba't ako lagi nanonood ng Soul of the Market. 3 times a week, okay, ang Soul of the Market. And normally around 8 or 9 p.m. siya pinapalabas. And that time, actually nasa pauwi pa lang ako from work. So, ano ang ginagawa ko? I'm actually watching it on my mobile phone. Okay, ganun ang ka-high-tech ngayon eh. Especially for us, even if sa Pinas, you can use your 3G, you can use an LTE, you can actually watch Soul of the Market and, of course, TGFI Facebook Live. Okay? So, Sir Jared Odulio actually has been trading for 80 years. And, of course, siya ang gumawa at nagpadali ng mga buhay ng mga trader. Siya ang gumawa ng SWAG. SWAG stands for Simple, Awesome, and Great Trading System. Okay? He's also a certified securities representative, and of course, an IT expert. Okay? So, Sir Jared, I actually would like to ask for TGFI, bakit nyo na-invent or paano nyo nagawa ang SWAG trading system?
All right. First of all, thank you for having me here.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome to TGFI. Our viewers, hello. All right. So before I answer your question, how did we come up with the SWOT trading system? First of all, marami akong ginamit before that. I was doing my own research. Because a lot of trading groups out there, sometimes they want you to rely on them. They want you to just listen to them. But sometimes I don't want to do that. Gusto ko may sarili akong sistema. Gusto ko may sarili akong, pag nagkamali ako, it's all my fault. Right? Or if I make money, it's also my fault. That's why I came up with the SWOT trading system, because I came up with a lot of systems. Like for example, I did statistical analysis. I did what's that? A lot of things. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis. I did that, and then I read a lot of books about trend following, because SWOT trading system is a trend following technique. It's a technical trend following technique. Okay? So I read a lot of that, and then one of the topics is how to develop your trading system. So the trading system is not necessarily an app. It's how you do things. It's how you do your trading. So I came up with the SWOT trading system, reading on the books, and then maybe I can Google. Pwede ako mag-Google. Magaling si Google eh. So I type in, how do I create my own trading system? Right? So a lot of answers came up from Investopedia, and then still reading on. And then along the way, I found this a little code snippet called the SMA 20. This is simple moving average 20 and exponential moving average 13. Okay, maybe I should try that. I'm just reading because I'm an IT professional, so I read codes. That's my work. That's my day job. Maybe I should try that. Maybe I should actually trade on that code. SMA 20 over SMA 13. I didn't backtest. Hindi ako nag-backtest. Basta sinubukan ko lang siya. And then I realized it's kind of working. Right? Although not 100%. It's not 100% foolproof. But at least it gives me some confidence on how to trade. Confidence. Lumakas yung loob ko na I think I can trade by myself. And then eventually, I think I can share this to other people so that they can also trade well. They can trade better. That's why this is how I came up with the SWOT trading system. And then we still fine tune it. We add more indicators like the Parabolic SAR, the SAGO, and then the money flow index, which is the MFI. So that's how we came up with this. That's how we almost perfected the SWOT trading system. And then I think it's not enough. This is why we came up with the solve the market as well. Maybe we could come up with a process instead of just introducing SWOT or evangelizing SWOT to the social media. It will just go on for nothing. People are just going to take it for granted. SWOT niya, wala namang point na yan. So we come up with the process. Maybe we can just put it on a live stream. Maybe we can just have a live stream on a regular basis using the SWOT trading system to pick our stocks. And then February 2016, we did that. Came up with that idea. But before it was Solve the Market, it was called T3. I don't know. I can't remember anymore. Hindi ko na matandaan kung bakit T3. Maybe it's from another station. But anyway, that was called T3. Then while my team was meeting with how we can refine the branding, maybe Solve the Market is a good title. It's a good idea. So we came up with the Solve the Market. Using the SWOT trading system as our primary tool for picking out stocks. So it happens. Wednesday and Friday we have the market review, and then Sunday we have the Sunday planning session. So during the Sunday planning session, we use the SMA 20 or EMA 13. So perhaps we can show some slides on how it works.
Okay. Yeah. Mga ka-TGFI, ibigyan ko ng idea, okay, kung paano pinadali ni Jared ang trading world. Trading kasi, actually, pag hindi ka familiar, no split to, no? Iba't iba kasi ng style ang mga traders, no? Pero, for me, imagine, I have been attending seminars, read a lot of books, mga conference abroad about stock market, about trading. Pero I can say na nagpadali ng buhay ko is actually the swag trading system. That's why actually I'm very thankful to Jared dahil shinare niya yung alam niya. Dinesign niya, shinare niya. Imagine he's been doing Facebook Live three times a week for free. Imagine that. Okay, that's why actually, again, very thankful, sir, for sharing your knowledge to us. And I know a lot of people, mga traders kahit dati pa, and right now they switched. They switched, and right now they are called Swagger. They're using the Swag trading system. So, makinig kayo maigi, okay? If hindi nyo naiintindihan right now, maiintindihan nyo, I'm sure. Okay, kasi i-explain ni Jared ng maayos ano ba ang Swag trading system. Okay? Yes, sir.
Alright. Swag trading system is really simple. That's why it's called simple, awesome, and great. The reason it's called simple, because the objective is to make a decision on how you can trade in just less than 10 seconds. I mean, titignan mo yung isang chart, titignan mo yung isang stock, less than 10 seconds you can make a decision. That's the objective of the swag trading system. All right, and then of course the ultimate objective is for you to make money. Second, lastly, of course, for you to be happy. That's the swag trading system. So how do you use that? Swag trading system, as I said, is SMA 20 over MA 13. So if you look at the chart, your chart right now, this is the blue line and the red line crossing over. Maybe we can put on the slide number. Sorry about that.
Hi, Keith Ortiz. She's actually watching right now, and even my
slide number 9.
Singaporean friends. Hi.
Okay. So if you can see slide number 9 on our screen right now. That's how an SMA crossover looks like. Ganyan itsura niyan. So, pag nag-cross yung SMA 20 over MA 13, what happened to the price action? Diba? The price goes up. So, lagi nangyayari yan. Whether it's very high or very not so high, but when SMA 20 crosses over MA 13, it happens. Nangyayari talaga yan. So, what do the swaggers do? Before it crosses, bumibili na sila. Nag-iipon na sila ng stocks. Ganun ang So, basically, the SMA 20 over MA 30 is bottom picking. So you pick from the bottom because it doesn't happen. This thing doesn't happen from the top. Maybe occasionally, but rarely it happens on the top. Yung talagang mga multi-bagger na upswing. That's how simple it is. I mean, you can only talk about it in 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Like, for example, if you're doing your homework, maybe you're not watching Soul of the Market, maybe you're doing it by yourself, you can just use the swag trading system and then go over your charts, go over the top trending stocks in the Philippine stock market. Like, for example, if I go through the top volumes and then look at them one by one, if they are in the buy pattern, the SMA 20 or MA 13, so maybe, you can list it down. This is my cheat sheet. Well, if you're watching the Sunday planning session, we call it the cheat sheet. I mean, when you see the buying pattern of the swag trading system, you take note. You're taking notes. Actually, our viewers are taking notes when we are doing the Sunday planning session, because the Sunday planning session, this is where the real work gets done. We don't really work on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's we're just going to buy what we have planned from the Sunday planning session. We're just going to buy on Monday and then just sit and wait what will happen on the next week. Then that's it. I mean, some people will be going to be very happy with this, going to send me a private message. Hey, sir, thank you very much for the swag trading system. Kumita ako ngayon. 20%. Like for example, this guy.
20%.
Like for example, this guy. You read it yourself. Sir, sold 85%.
From Michael. Sir, sold 85%. Wow. Web, bago bumaba, my first earnings, may pambili ulit. Thanks sa swag. Ito pala, sir. Si Eman Lobo right now is watching and mentor daw niya si sir. Of course, swagger. Naglalabas na ng mga swagger right now, yung mga topper.
Hello. Sorry, wala tayong fan sign ngayon because wala tayong blackboard and then baka ubusin ko yung oras ni Nolan. So,
pwede mag-fan sign, sir.
I cannot do fan sign right now. Nolan will just going to ask me questions over and over again. So we're just going to enjoy our time right now while it lasts because actually Soul of the Market is on vacation. I'd like to thank Nolan for inviting me over here. But that's why it's fun. I mean, we're only going to resume next 2017 for the Soul of the Market. So I hope you're still going to watch Soul of the Market, maybe in a different format altogether. Yeah. So going back to swag trading system. What else? Who uses the swag trading system? A lot of people. Maybe the retail traders, maybe the institutional traders. We don't know. Maybe the fund managers are looking at it. Sometimes I overheard when I was at the exchange. I mean, when I say exchange, at that time, somebody just picked up the phone. Oh, nag-swag na. So I was drinking my coffee. What?
Just to let you all know, guys, no, hindi nag-exist ang swag na term, no? It's actually created. Yung swag na term mismo, created by Jared. Actually, right now, I have been hearing the word swag. Okay, when you hear swag, of course, it's Jared. Jared is swag. Siya ang gumawa ng swag.
Yeah. Well, it's funny, but sometimes I don't really take credit for me being the creator because I just discovered that there's such a thing as SMA20 over MA13. That's why when people sinabi nila na ako gumawa, okay, sige, okay lang. Pero it's really a discovery. I discovered that while doing my research at the basement of this kitty, not basement. I'm just in my study room, in my study doing my research, and then in the deep of the night. Sometimes you really take a lot. I mean, you become very creative when when you don't sleep at night.
Imagine even the fund managers are using the swag trading system. They're using the term.
Yeah, I mean, they don't really openly admit it, but I mean, you can slip of tongue.
Swag.
Yeah. That's why. Okay. So going back to the swag trading system, the Soul of the Market. So, ganun lang ang process, paikot-ikot lang. I mean, because the market has a pattern. Meron talagang pattern yung market natin. Whether we deny it or not. Sometimes, sasabihin nila, bakit yung mga basura lumilipad bigla, bumabagsak bigla? Because yung mga basura, they are highly volatile securities. So you cannot really predict them. Some people are just buying them up for the sake of taking chances or taking risks. But if you really want consistent profit, you have to go by the swag trading system. I mean, although as a stockbroker, I cannot really guarantee against loss. Although that is the law. But using the swag trading system, you have a better chance of earning a profit. I mean, rather than listening to opinions, listening to chismis.
Wala analysis.
Yeah. Tanong dito, tanong doon. Although it's not really wrong to ask, but at least with the swag trading system, you can actually be what do you call that, self-reliant. You can be on your own. I mean, you can actually do your own research. You can actually do your own study. You can actually make your own decision. Actually, that's very important. For you to be able to make your own decision on your trades, because that's your money in the first place. That's your money, and this is your trade. I mean, there's no other people responsible for your money except you. Right? So you better have a good trading system. I mean, a trading system that is also robust. Actually, swag trading system is being used by the forex as well. The forex traders, some people at the forex, aside from the stocks, may mga gumagamit din yan, forex commodities. Actually, I traded also in commodities. I use the swag trading system. In fact, if you use the swag trading system away from the local market, if you're using it in the global markets, it's more predictable. I mean, the results are more predictable. Especially if you're trading on coffee, gold, silver, all those things. The swag trading system is very predictable. I mean, you have a better chance, like 95%.
Wow. Imagine this mga kating GFI. Ang swag system na actually tinuturo ni Sir Jared is actually not only applicable to stock market. Sabi nga niya, you can use it to commodity, even to forex, okay? And this is very important. Sabi nga ni Sir Jared kanina, hard-earned money mo to eh. So, if, for example, you are trading, you have to have a system, okay? Hindi pwedeng TA or yung tanong analysis or kung ano mang system, nagkatanong ka lang sa Facebook, yun yung kina-follow mo. Kasi pag nalugi ka or natalo ka, you have nothing to blame kung hindi yung sarili mo. So you have to have a system. So again, follow the trading system as Sir Jared, okay?
Alright, so maybe we can open slide 11. So if you can see slide 11 on the screen right now, this is a typical example. This is a real life example of a swag trading system doing its work. Okay, so if you can see all the blue circles, those are the crossovers. And dyan nangyayari yung mga switch ng presyo sa crossover na yan. So some people say it doesn't work, but take a look at it yourself. On the blue circles, lahat ng blue circles, if you're fervently following it like a swagger, you're going to make a profit. Like for example, right now we're looking at Bloomberry. That is as of October 14, 2016. All right. So because I presented this slide also during my presentation at the top overview macro session, so hindi masyado updated yung chart. But it's okay. The essence of the chart is for you to see how the swag trading system works in real. Okay, sa totoong buhay, hindi yung kwento-kwento lang. Okay. I mean, maybe over 100 people can attest to that already. That's how it works. So right now, I think we can see the chart right now for Bloomberry. You can see the blue line, right? And the blue lines, those are the crossovers. Not the blue lines, but the blue circle. Those are the crossovers. So the swaggers already know kung ano yung mga crossovers na yan. For those of you who are first time hearing the swag trading system, you can actually like the page Soul of the Market and look for the swag lightning session. So you can actually watch how the swag trading system works in details. Right now, I'm just giving you an overview so that Nolan can still ask me questions and then can still interact, and then for you guys to ask questions as well during our next few minutes. Okay, what else? Soul of the Market, swag trading system, paikot-ikot lang yan. But like I said, I mean, it's a weekly activity. When we say weekly activity, that used to be Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And then, again, paikot-ikot ulit. Sunday, Wednesday, Friday. So, minsan nag-iisip na ako, baka nabuboard na yung mga viewers. Pero hindi. I mean, when we go online during Sundays, daming viewers. Wow. Okay. Wednesday, Friday, iba don't really attend the reviews. Kasi iba, alam ko na yan eh. I mean, alam ko na, may kinita na ako ng Wednesday, bakit pa ako manonood sa'yo ng Wednesday, ng Friday? Manonood lang sa'yo ng Sunday kasi doon yung mga stock picks mo eh.
Even nga ako, share ko lang, meron lang mo actually tickler, no? Small notebook. Ano ginagawa ko? Nagustulat ako ng yung mga checklist, no? Ng swag. And pati yung plan ko. Kaya very, very important na ginagawa mo siyang practice. Yung Sunday, yung plan mo, execute mo siya, okay? For the week. So Monday, and then read ka ng Wednesday, out ka ng swag, pati Friday. Yun yung cycle. And then hanggang sa maging sayo na. Pag nakuha mo na, naintindihan mo na siya, napakasarap na yun. Lalo nakita mo yung earnings, ganun siya.
So it becomes natural. I mean, once you get the hang of it, nasanay ka na, it becomes natural. I mean, darating ang time, along the way, pagka nakita mo yung isang chart, nakita mo isang stock, may nag-hype, tapos tinignan mo yung swag, ay hindi, ano naman yan eh, hype lang yan. In less than 5 seconds, alam mo agad what's going on in the stock. I mean, because one, price action. Sa swag kasi, we believe in the price action before the stories. Okay? Ito ang mga philosophy ng swag. Price action goes first before the news. Okay, so no unang price action before the news. Pagka lumabas yung news, sabihin yung price action, huli ka na doon pagka pumasok ka sa isang stock na isang pala umaakyat tapos lumabas yung news. Huli ka na noon. Okay, so don't follow that. Then, price action is the only fact that you can handle. I mean, you can read the news, you can read the stories, but price action is the only fact that you can handle. Because ayun lang talagang information na available sa iyo, the price action. Which swag trading system helps you to decide what to do with the price action. Is it a buying pattern? Is it a selling pattern? Or cut loss pattern? Swag trading system is there. I mean, this is your telescope. Ayan ang telescope mo, ayan yung radar mo, or ayan yung sonar mo. Kasi, well, sonar, kasi wala ka nakikita. Ano ka lang. Nandun ka lang sa graphs mo. So that's how the swag trading system works. And then, another thing, stories. I think the swaggers knows this already. Stories don't make you money.
That's actually correct, no? Like, right now, sir, napakaraming kumbaga, mga hyper. Mga nag-hype ng mga kung-anong stock. So, again, if, for example, you want to know kung paano nyo ma-identify or ma-verify kung maganda talaga ang stock, simple, use swag. Okay, malalaman nyo, baka tulid ng pumasok, or sakto lang, or normally kasi pag mga hype yan, ano yan? Kumbaga, magbentahan ka lang. So, para ma-identify mo, use swag to confirm kung maganda pa talaga mag-entry pa sa specific stock na you will trade.
Correct. At least now you're learning, right? I mean, at least it's being useful to Nolan and to the rest of the viewers as well. So that's good to know. And then what else about swag? I mean, the next good thing about the swag of the market is that we engage genuinely with the people. I mean, like for example, TGFI. You have the live stream, you talk to the people, etc. Same thing with the soul of the market. I mean, even what do you call that? Even kahit naipit ka, even when you're stuck or just got burned from a windfall or whatever, downfall or crash, I can still talk to you, I can still listen to you. The next time you do that, I mean, may mga private messages kasi ako natatanggap. Sir, kasi sunog ako sa ganito eh. Did you use the swag trading system? Sir, ngayon pa na kasi nalaman eh. Okay, so next time, watch Soul of the Market, listen carefully, and then follow the swag trading system. I cannot guarantee against loss, but at least you have guidance. You are guided accordingly.
Agree, sir. Kasi more of yung mga issue ng mga trader, yung mga lalay, magisimula pa lang. Ang issue nila is, they know, for example, when to buy, nag-gain na, no? Pero hindi nila alam kailan siya sell. Pero if you are actually following the swag trading system, you even know when's the perfect time to sell. Kasi you follow patterns eh. You follow the system. That's why it's actually very important if you are following or doing a system.
Right, correct. Once again, that's correct, Nolan. If we go back to our Bloomberry example again, the chart for the Bloomberry, I can show you what Nolan is talking about. Yeah. So, as you can see right here, pag tinignan mo yung Bloomberry chart natin, sorry for the Bloomberry, I'm not hyping Bloomberry right now because this chart is old. That's why intentionally I put an old chart para hindi sabihin ng mga tao, I'm hyping Bloomberry. Just an example. Okay? From July, nakita mo yung period between July 4. July 4 is memorable. Until August, meron dyan yung pinaka-high ng that's about 6.9 or 7. So may signal dyan na swag. EMA 13 over SMA 20. This is the sell pattern. Okay? And then once the sell pattern, nagpalit ng, once the trend already bends, it's no longer your friend. So that's the time to sell. Ito yun eh. Ayan. This is what Nolan is talking about. Yung area na may gumanon. Ayan. Dapat you should start selling. No matter what kind of bagger stock you're holding, you should start selling. Maybe in tranches, maybe all out, whatever. Whatever makes you happy. Okay? So words on the street, kanya-kanyang exit.
kanya-kanyang exit.
Yes. We don't exit in unison. We enter in unison sometimes, especially those who are reading the cheat sheets. Makita nila yung cheat sheets sa Soul of the Market. Okay. Ito yung bibili natin kasi ito yung nireko ng Soul of the Market. So, magbibilihan ng mga ano yan. Siguro, one board lang isang stock dun sa ano. Until they hit everything. Not bad, but again, imagine how many people are doing that watching Soul of the Market. So it's not an intentional what. If the price goes up because of that, it's not our intention to do so. Just a disclaimer. It's a market force. Because people are starting to learn the swag trading system.
Right now, may nagtatanong na sir kung ano daw ginagamit yung chart.
I'm using Chart Nexus. I'm sorry for plugging Chart Nexus because I've been using Chart Nexus since 2008. Right? And so far, ay na pinaka-reliable na chart na ginagamit ko sa trading. I've been through bull market, bear market, some small bears, big bad bears, very good bulls.
Again, Domi, question ni Domi Nils alias, what chart indicators you are using for swag trading system? Domi, papakita namin sa iyo yung presentation and maybe you can screenshot or write on a piece of paper, okay? Kung ano yung ginagamit na indicator for the swag trading system.
Okay, go to slide 8. Yeah, slide 8 is up. We have what we call the swag code. Medyo misleading lang yung crossover. This is our indicator. This is our primary indicator. SMA 20 meaning simple moving average 20-day period, and then exponential moving average 13-day period. Okay, so if SMA 20 not crossover but over MA 13, then enter. So vice versa, if this is SMA 20 cross under, actually under MA 13, then exit. So, but the real thing that in real life, ang nangyayari talaga, you don't wait for the cross under ng SMA 20. Before that happens, magbebenta ka na. Kasi baka maiwanan ka. Even the crossover, before that happens, bumibili ka na. Kasi alam mo na kung saan pupunta yung price. Besides, the swag trading system is actually a self-fulfilling prophecy kasi once nakakita mo yung SMA 20 over MA 13, yung dalawang linya, hindi pa siya nagsasalubong, it's a buying pattern. Like I said, every time, if you watch the Soul of the Market, every Sunday planning session, during the Sunday planning session, we call it the buying pattern. This is the buying pattern, so we put it on the list because it's a buying pattern. And then, once we come up with the list or the cheat sheet, every swagger, yun yung trabaho niya para i-drill down pa niya. Ano ba ito sa mga sinabi ni Jared ang bibili ko? Although lahat sila buying pattern, pero only 5 or 3 of those would be the strongest one during the next trading week. Ito na lang trabaho ng swagger after the Sunday planning session. So we just came up with a cheat sheet. It's a generic cheat sheet with all the buying pattern. Pero, ayun, using the SMA 20 over MA 13. Bahala na sila.
Tama mga ka-DGFI, yung ginagawa ko before, no? Kung gusto nyong ma-prove kung paano nag-work ang swag, very simple. Open kayo sa Chart Nexus, open yung specific stock. Okay, set niyo yung indicators ng SMA 20 saka EMA 13. Like for example, last year, i-open yung specific stock. Okay, makikita niyo yung indicator na pag nag-crossover, oo nga, no? Dapat pala ganito ginawa ko. Pag nag-cross under, oo nga, dapat nga ganito nga ginawa ko. So, dun pa lang mapuprove nyo na it really works, okay? So, before siya, for example, mag-cross, dapat nakabili ka na niya. Buying pattern na yun eh.
Yes.
Pag lumampas na ng cross, baka pwede pa pumasok, pero hinay-hinay lang. Pwedeng too late na eh. Ngayon, pag cross under, exit.
Yes,
very simple. You follow the system, it works.
Yeah. If you can see, mapapansin yung Soul of the Market, we don't really talk talk much about the news. Medyo konting chismis lang about the news. We talk about the price action lang. So, if you go to Soul of the Market, watch the replay. Watch all the replay. You can, every start of the video, I always remind the viewers how to set up the swag trading system in their charts, especially the chart Nexus. So, dun yung matututunan kung paano sineset up yung SMA 20 over MA 13 sa chart Nexus nyo or sa charting, whatever charting tool you're using, as long as there is SMA 20 and MA 13 indicators available sa charting tool niyo, then you're good to go. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple talaga yun. I mean, even if you're trading for 5 years, 10 years, and then suddenly you stumble into the system, sabi mo, oh my God, parang, ganito lang pala kasimple yun. Bakit pa ako nagpapakahirap ng pagkatagal-tagal?
Imagine, ba't kapag gumagamit na napakahirap ng mga indicators if you only know how to use swag? I mean, inuubos mo for ilang hours ka nag-check ng mga charts, pero pag alam mo ang swag, wala, actually parang mga 1 or 2 minutes lang pag open mo ng chart, tas open mo indicators, alam mo na, wag bilhin, buy, sell. Alam mo na, ganun lang kabilis eh. Hindi ka na kailangan mag-ubos ng ilang oras sa isang chart lang sa pag-analyze.
Yes, I mean that even if you say time is of the essence, actually, if you're using the swag trading system, time is always on your side. I mean, time is a luxury when you're using the swag trading system. You can actually do more with your life. I mean, that's the whole point. I mean, you're not going to spend your weekend hours doing your research. You have time for although this is already a cliche, time for your family, time for your friends, time to go to the mall, whatever. The usual thing na ginagawa mo. And then, if you're not really trading professionally and doing something else, for example, if you're doing what you do best, maybe it's not trading. Swag trading system is an ideal companion. Kasi, for example, if you're an architect, if you're a doctor, you're not really trading full time. May oras ka para sa sa iba mong profession. May oras ka sa mga iba mong hobbies. And then you can only use the swag trading system during your planning session. Okay? Then buy according to your plan, then sit back and relax and then wait for the profits.
I actually agree, no? Bakit? For OFWs, ang normaling question nila, pwede ba ako mag-trade? How can I trade? Iba yung time zone namin sa abroad. Or lagi na ako nasa work, di ba na ako pwede na mag-trade cellphone ko. Again, iba yung ginagamit nilang trading system. But for you to be able to trade, you use swag. Okay, you use swag. Again, pag nag-analyze kami ng stock, even sa Soul of the Market, Jared of course, ilang minutes lang, hindi ka naman naabot ng napakatagal sa isang klaseng chart eh. Hindi. You follow swag. Kahit hindi mo time zone, kaya mo mag-trade. Yun yung advantage actually nun.
Actually, mas malaki yung oras natin sa fan sign.
Fan sign.
Mas malaki yung oras sa fan sign than analyzing the stocks. Do you agree, swaggers? Right? Diba? I mean, we have more time on the fan sign. Actually, pag yung nakita nila yung whiteboard, makita mo yung dami ng viewers, umaangat bigla. From maybe 100 to 200, ito na, okay, fan sign now. I mean, maybe that's the essence of the Soul of the Market, is the fan sign. Of course, we have to make fun. I mean, we have to have fun trading. I mean, hindi lang puro seryoso. Parang seryoso yung usapan. Like, you're talking about gloom and doom. Nag-share ka ng mga bad news from what's happening to the oil market, what's happening to the global market. I mean, with the swag trading system, you just relax. Relax ka lang. I mean, as long as you see the buying pattern, the selling pattern, relax ka lang.
Regarding sa news, sir, actually, one of my friend before asked me about certain stock and sabi niya, may news dyan, ganito. Sabi ko, okay. Kataka siya, paano wala akong reaction? Bad news yun. Baka maipit ka. Sabi ko, hindi. Tignan natin yung swag. Pag open ko, hindi, okay pa, okay yan. Ganun lang eh. You don't listen to news. Hindi mo na siya kailangan. Ang kailangan mo lang mag-focus sa chart. Sa chart at mga indicators ng swag. And you'll be able to decide na. Hindi mo na kailangan alamin yung mga chismis.
Yeah, katulad yan. Like I said previously, swag is a trend following technique. So, when the trend is established, normally, ang unang nakaka-detect ng establishment of a trend, the swag trading system. So, when the trend is established, the news will be published. So, yun yun.
Right now, sir, we have a question from Richie De Matera. Any other confirmations na gamit ni Sir Jared?
One of the confirmations is called the money flow index. The money flow index is just another graph on your chart. So the money flow index is like an RSI, but this one is price and volume weighted. Meaning, hindi lang price yung tinitingnan niya, pati volume. Money flow index is a leading indicator. So yung moving average natin, yung dalawang line, these are lagging indicators. So if you work with the SMA 20 over SMA 13 plus the money flow index is simple. Kung nakita mo lang yung linyang tumuturo pataas, meaning smart money is moving into the stock. When we say smart money, the funds are moving into the stock. So that's an indicator. That is a leading indicator. So once the money flow index is pointing down, meaning the fund is going out of the stock. But that is not a cause for panic because that is the time you wait for the bottom. Pagka tumuturo na si money flow index pababa, tapos si SMA 20 over si SWAG nagbabuying pattern na, you should have money, you should have cash ready on your hand. Otherwise, kung wala kang bala at nakita mo yung signal na ganon, sorry, makikipalakpa ka na lang. Sasabihin mo na lang sa mga chat group or sa trading groups, congrats. Congrats. That's all you can say because you don't have money but you saw there is a signal. And there's an opportunity.
Yung mga time na bumabagsak ang stock market, ito actually yung opportunity to gain more. Okay, so ito dapat yung mga natutuwa kayo, especially if you see na nagbo-bottom na. Yun nga, if malalaman mo ang bottom cross buy, you have to have a lot of cash. Okay? Next question, sir, from Steph Garcia. When you were a newbie po, which time frame did you first look at? As a fresh starter, I think it's kind of hard to know which type of trader you are or you want to be. Do you have any advice for this, sir? Thank you.
I always look at the daily. For the time frame because the daily is the standard setup for every chart. And then second, when I enter the stock market, my first objective is to have another source of income. Aside from my income from my day job, I want to have another source of income. But eventually, as turn of events, I became more focused professionally on trading, which is good. But as a newbie, it's okay to have a daily time frame because that's where you can actually learn. Don't be some people want to be a day trader, or an intraday trader, like doing 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. You're not going to make money. You're not going to get rich doing that. Why? Because you're just going to, what do you call that? Chupita ka lang ng chupita ng mga barya-barya. How are you going to make money? You have to look for the multi-baggers, which the SWAG trading system will help you find out or figure out. In fact, if some of our, like for example, one of the followers of the SWAG trading system just PM me, he gained 85%.
Wow, 85%.
Masaya ka ba sa 3%, 5% araw-araw? Maybe sometimes yung 5% mo today, bukas 10% negative. Diba? Ganun ng mga day traders karamihan they don't really admit it, pero ganun yung kanilang pattern.
85% na malaki ang volume, imagine.
Diba? When I started, I wasn't really inspired by the movies like Wall Street or something like that. I was never hyped by those kind of things. My primary objective really is how to make another source of income and at the same time enjoying it. And I really do enjoy trading. Although sometimes people think that the market is manipulated, etc., etc. It's not. The market is dictated by the supply and demand. Laging yun ang tinuturo natin sa Soul of the Market. First, how how do you make money in the stock market? There are only two ways to make money in the stock market. What? Capital gains and cash dividends. Right? So, alam ng mga swaggers yan, alam ng mga nanonood sa Soul of the Market yan. Pag hindi mo alam ang sagot, kung how many ways to make money in the stock market, maybe you're in the wrong group. Okay? And then how do we... What's the next...
From Nurse AJ Dada, Sir, nalita ko mapag-online. Pwede mo ulitin, Nurse, okay? Pwede mo siyang panoorin na ulit from the start. Actually, I advise people, no, mga ka-TGFI, i-share niyo yung video and then i-watch niyo siya ulit. Take notes, okay? Because for me, I also take notes, okay? Doon kayo matututo eh. And Sean D. Hip, time frame, sir, ng swag?
Daily. Actually, it works on all time frames, but I use it daily, on a daily time frame. Palagi.
From Richie De Matera, may nahuli ako nag-cross sa swag. Kaso hindi ko name drop. Baka mahit.
Wag. I mean, if you saw it, keep it to yourself. And then, if you make money, wag kang magsisigaw sa social media. I mean, alam mo naman yung mga tao dyan, pagka kumita, may mga, yay, thank you Lord, etc., etc. So, keep it to yourself.
Grabe dami ng watchers natin right now. Sir, from Salvi Ortega, watching from Hong Kong, watching from Dubai. Si Iggy Dumlao, bulong mo na sa akin, Sir Rich. Yung si Iggy Dumlao yung kanina, bulong daw sa kanya. And one of the ang pinaka talagang na-enjoy ko sa swag is yun nga, you'll be able to save a lot of time. Kasi even for me, even if I also work from home and being the head of IT of the Global Philippine Investors, yung time ko kumbaga masyadong tight na. So paano ako nakapag-trade? Hindi ko siya magagawa, even though before trader na, nag-trade ako, pero very malayo yung technique na ginagamit ko sa swag. And nung nalaman ko yung swag, lagi na ako nanonood. Kasi wow, sabi ko, wow, ganito lang. Imagine, malalaman mo ang chart. Malalaman mo yung specific stock. Ba iba o hindi? Or huwag na pumasok ko dyan. Malalaman mo siya. Ganun lang kabilis. For me, it works like magic eh. Even nag-due diligence ako, check. Talaga bang gumagana? Check ko nga yung mga ilang maraming stock. Bumalik ako ng mga last year. Nag-work talaga siya. So, and sabi nga ni Sir Jared, hindi lang to pang stock. It works for what? Forex. Even commodities. Hindi ako nagko-forex. Hindi ako nagko-commodities. Pero right now, nalaman ko na nag-work siya. Paano gusto ko nang pasukin?
Yeah. Actually, yung mga maraming pera, sinasamantala nila yung commodities because it's more lucrative than the local market. Although, I'm not really encouraging you if you're new to the commodities. Kailangan masanay ka muna kumita ng pera sa local. I mean, once you're making money on the local stock market, sabihin, you can do it on the global markets. Kasi, ang hirap kumita ng pera sa local market. I mean, especially if you don't have a system. I mean, kung nag-aano ka lang, nangangapa ka lang dyan, nag-aabang ka lang ng chismis sa mga groups, pero kung binabantayan na guru, whatever, I mean, you're not going to make money in the stock market. Especially our local stock market. Dahil yung pera mo, labas-pasok lang. It's not growing. But once you know or once you get comfortable, nasanay ka na, kumikita ka na talaga because you have a system that really works. You go global market.
And for me, sabi nga ni Sir Jared, etong trading na to is hindi lang actually pang part-time. You can earn a lot. Imagine yung 85% gain for just ilan. Sabi mo ng 1 week. Anong klaseng investment vehicle, ang mga pagbigay sa'yo 85%? Of course, you need to put effort. Pero it works. Sa mga sample yun, it really works. And even for me, I can attest na I'm actually able to gain a lot from by using the swag trading system.
It's good to know that Nolan is also gaining with the swag trading system. I hope some people as well watching us start adopting the swag trading system. And if you have any questions, you can actually watch Soul of the Market next year because right now, bakasyon na Soul of the Market. And like I said kanina, nag-enjoy lang ng bakasyon ko. Then thank you for Nolan for inviting me here.
Inulit ko na si Sir Jared para bigyan ng chance ang mga ka-TGFI all over the world kung paano matutunan ng swag. O kaya yun nga, naka-break na actually ang Soul of the Market right now, but of course, we want to let people know, okay? Kasi yun naman yung, yung goal ng TGFI and of course all of the markets, Sir Jared, i-share ang blessings to people.
It's a good opportunity as well. Especially right now, if you're just new to trading and then you stumble with the swag trading system, you're really lucky. I mean, we spend years trying to find out what's a good system, what's a consistent system na matibay, na maasahan mo, umulan, umaraw, bumaha, ayan ang swag trading system, gumagana.
Sir, for me, I spent a lot of money attending tradings, trading seminars, trading conferences. I read a lot of books. Pero imagine kung nalaman ko sa una pa lang, no, ang swag, kahit di ka na matindi. I mean, it works.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Lynn Legaspi Balenton watching from Malaysia. Misha, ibulong mo naman beser, Jared. Dexter from Singapore. Hi. Steph Garcia. If this is for daily time frame po, meaning short term lang po siya pwede. Also for entry exit po, regardless if closing or opening po, you just base your decision sa swag na?
Yes. That's because it's a daily time frame. It's not really short term. Sometimes on a daily time frame, you hold your stock. My style is to hold the stock at least 180 days because during that span of time, something will really happen. Like for example, Petron, last year when I was holding Petron from 6, it went up as high as 10. But my chart is set up on a daily time frame. But when we say daily time frame, we're looking at the price action on a daily basis, not one day. Just your candles are divided into daily basis. You know? So you're not really. It doesn't mean that a daily time frame is short term. Sometimes you just look at it 180 days, 1 year can be set up as a daily time frame. You know?
Very good yung question mo, Steph, regarding that. Actually, ang daming tanong dyan regarding dun nga yung time frame. And Emerson Perez, Luis, makikita po ba sa all financial yung sabi na EMA crossover, EMA 30 and crossover and SMA 20? Yes, you can set it there. Then, pero for me, I suggest, sabi nga ni Sir Jared na use Chart Nexus. Okay, free naman siya. So, just go to Chart Nexus and register and download the app on your computer. Okay. Jonathan De La Torre, can you show to us what is swag? Jonathan, you can watch the replay. Actually, pinakita na siya ni Jared kanina. And you can watch it over and over again. Yun yung maganda sa Facebook Live na to eh. You can share it and then replay, watch it over and over again till mag-sink in. Kasi ako, ganun din ako eh. I watch videos ulit-ulit kasi ano nga eh, sabi yan, repetitive till mag-sink in sa'yo, take notes, i-practice mo siya hanggang mag-sink in sa'yo. Okay.
Sa Soul of the Market naman, repetition is the key to mastering everything in this world.
I agree. Repetition is the mother of all skill. Ayan. Napakaraming umahabol, sir. I was like, regarding swag, sir, a lot of people are asking right now, kailan ulit ang start ng Soul of the Market and
Soul of the Market will resume on 2017. But on Swag Trading System, you can just like the page, Soul of the Market, and then look for the Swag Lightning Sessions. Watch the videos on Swag Lightning Sessions so that you can learn a lot. Doon lahat ng details ng how the Swag Trading System works, how it started, what's the reason we started it, mga ganon. So, yun ang like the page, hanapin niyo sa Facebook, Soul of the Market, and then like.
Okay. Mga ka-TGFI, we'll just be having a short break, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay? We're back, mga ka-TGFI. Again, I'm with Jared Odulio, Soul of the Market. So super thankful ako. Natutunan ko ang swag trading system kasi even for me yun nga sa dami ng trading systems na pinag-aralan ko, ng mga binili ko, and I really spent a lot. Yun nga, kasi naniniwala ako sa trainings, no? Pero nung natutunan ko yung swag trading system, pinadali ang life ko eh. Pinadali ang life ko, plus Jared actually do it for free. Facebook Live niya, and of course sa YouTube din. That's why I really appreciate it. And talagang kinulit ko siya na kahit Christmas break siya, nilakasan yung loob na para baka pwede kayo sir na mag-Facebook Live sa amin kasama mga ka-TGFI para ma-share namin yung swag trading system. And ang dami questions kung kada kailan ng soul of the market. Again, Christmas break. Pero yes, Sir Jared?
Okay, next year, 2017, we'll be resuming our soul of the market. We're on a new time slot. Sunday planning session and then Saturday market review. Because between that, we're going to have our random lightning sessions covering other topics from let's say regulations, how the stock split works, something like that. I mean, some things that you don't read on a daily basis. So thank you very much for watching TGFI.
And ito na mga TGFI, regarding for the past few days, regarding sa 50% discount namin, tapos na siya. Pero again, because of super bait ng TGFI and of course Christmas season, and since you also watched today's Facebook Live, here's what you can do, okay? Send an email to our Chief Commercial Officer, Joy Sanchez. Okay, for the 50% discount, you have to use this subject. Okay, anong title ng email nyo? Pamasko po. Okay, dapat ang subject, pamasko po. Okay? And sa body, lagyan nyo lang na I want to avail the discount. Tapos na ang discount, lagyan na 50%. Yung 5 real estate webinars, imagine 5 na real estate webinars, ang price niya right now is actually 2,500, but we are giving it, or we will give it for only 1,000 pesos. Now, yung second set is 6 agri webinars. Ang rate nun is 3,000 pesos, but the sale, we actually gave it only for 1,500 pesos. Yung third, ito yung, of course, favorite ko because ito yung 5 online business webinars. Okay? As you know, I'm one of the speaker regarding on how to earn dollars working from home. And yes, it's really very possible because I've been doing it. Okay? I'm a former OFW in Singapore. And anong ginawa kong plan on how to earn, okay, working from home. And right now, yung webinar na yun will only be selling it for $999. Okay, but you can only avail this if you send an email to our Chief Commercial Officer, Joy Sanchez. Her email address is joy@tgfi.co. Joy@tgfi.co. And ang title dapat ng email nyo is mamamasko po or pamasko po. Okay? Nasa screen siya right now. And sir, last words before tayo mag-good night sa mga ka-TGFI.
Alright. Thank you for watching Soul of the Market.
Thank you mga ka-TGFI. Magandang gabi, magandang hapon, magandang umaga.
We are now ending our transmission.
Thank you.